The camera system featured in the Galaxy S24 faces tough competition from leading camera phones. Samsung aims to address this by potentially enhancing its capabilities, prompting Sony to consider shifting certain production operations to South Korea. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus utilize the Samsung GN3 sensor, akin to the Galaxy S22's ISOCELG GN5 sensor. The GN3 boasts a 57-inch sensor size with 1.0mm size pixels and incorporates Samsung's tetrapixel technology for producing clear images. Towards the end of last year, a leaker known as @tech_rev hinted that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might abandon the GN3 in favor of a Sony sensor. A recent report from Korea's ETNEOS seems to corroborate this speculation. It suggests that Sony is transferring certain stages of image sensor production to South Korea, Samsung's home base. While the report doesn't explicitly state that Sony will supply sensors for the Galaxy S25, it implies that Samsung may adopt a combination of Sony and in-house sensors for its future devices. The anticipated new sensor from Sony could potentially outperform its current offerings, with a report suggesting that the company may introduce a new coding process to enhance sensor quality. Although incorporating Sony cameras is expected to bolster the competitive edge of the Galaxy S25, Sony's entry into the Korean market may strain Samsung's LSI division. Nonetheless, it appears that Samsung is willing to take this risk to bolster its phone offerings. Rumors also abound about a refreshed appearance for Samsung's next year's S-series lineup. Additionally, variants powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset might offer improved performance compared to the iPhone 16. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.